This murdered out VFC 416A5 is for Scott Mundell over at Lonetreemilsim. He's been hunting around for an AEG sponsor, and I was delighted to build him something like this. So we got a 34K Solink brushless T38 Pro gears on a Jeftron Leviathan, shooting 1.5 at 38 RPS. Binary is just as crisp as that. Some semi here. He's used to running stock AEGs, so he's in for quite a change to his life. Bottom of that mag, clear max. It's going out today. And go follow him over on YouTube, and you'll get to see a lot of content made with this thing. And who knows what else is in the works. But he's going to be in love with this.